What is up, YouTube? Happy Friday. It is July 18th. I just finished day trading and we are positive for the week. I made my goal of 500 bucks today. Let me explain to you what I did and why I did it. So I made money off of hood puts, as you can see, put hood. And that's how I made my 500 for the day. So first I looked at QQQ, and if you look in the 5-minute chart, I marked out the pre-market highs. So right here, this line right here, I put on this double high right here. This is pre-market. This is like 2 in the morning. So I want to see when it opens, if it's going to get that high and manipulate to the upside, which it did, and manipulate to the upside, and it came right back down. So that is called a liquidity sweep. So this is telling me that the market might want to go down today. So I might want to be looking for puts. So I'm looking at the stocks, and I know Robinhood. I'm familiar with this stock. I've shorted it many times before. And for the first, let's say 30 minutes, it was going higher. So it was up 7% at one point. Now in the past, when Robinhood flies up like that, it is clearly going to go back down. It is a pump and dump stock. I'm not saying it's a bad stock, but I think it's overvalued, so it goes down pretty fast. Now, what I did was wait for it to reach its top and show signs of selling off. Let me go to the minute mark here. Each candle is 1 minute. So open at 9:30, goes up for 20 minutes, and right here is where I start looking at it, where I want to buy some puts and start making money on the downside. As soon as this top right here didn't go over this one, this is a downtrend now. So I want to ride it down. Right here is where I bought some puts, and then I used a Fibonacci retracement tool. So Fibonacci retracement, I put the first mark here, click here, and I put the second mark up here. So as soon as this downtrend is a retracement. So what I want to do, what I like to do, is try to sell it off at the 50% mark or the 61% mark, depending on how confident I am that it's going to go down. In this case, I bought some puts here, and here, 3 different ones. And I sold at the 50% mark right here. As you can see, this says 50%. I sold like right here. The reason why I sold early today is because if you don't know Robinhood, the catalyst for today was that the crypto bill was passed. So with the crypto bill being passed, Robinhood will benefit from that. Definitely. So that's why I flew up. But I know, knowing the stock, that it's going to go right back down. It's overbought. It is due for a correction. So I used this tool and I did exactly what I needed to do to hit my goal. And that was it. I mean, at first, the QQQ is the first thing that told me that it's going to go down with the manipulation and the slide down. And then knowing this stock, just knowing how it trades, I know it's going to go down, and that's how I made my money. I could have made a lot more money. I could have made thousands of dollars if I held it to the 100% mark, which I've done in the past. But today I didn't want to do it because there are positive catalysts for the stock, so I didn't want to chance it. But I'm happy with my profit of 500 bucks. I showed you what made me do the trade and the tool that helped me do it, the Fibonacci retracement. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned if you want to learn this stuff. It's easy to make money, guys. Let's do it together. Peace.